Hey guys, welcome back to Crafty Nanny. Today we're here with Ezra from EzraMade, and she's going to tell us a little bit about her Etsy shop and also teach me how to paint these rocks. So let's get to know Ezra. Thank you for coming.
You're welcome.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Good, thank you. So tell us a little bit about yourself.
I'm 10. I'm in 6th grade. My mom just started homeschooling us. What else would you like to know?
And you have an older brother, right?
Yes, his name is Xavier.
Okay.
My dad owns Hybrid Coffee. Yeah. Really, nothing special about me.
No, that's not true because you're 10, she's 10, and she has her very own Etsy shop. And what do you sell on there?
I have custom bracelets, so you can text me or email me on Etsy, and you can basically tell me what you want in the bracelet, and I'll ship it to you, and you get your own custom bracelet. I have a painting on there. I have rock painting kits. I have a plant holder.
Wow.
For right now, that's all I have, but soon I'll have some more stuff.
So when did you start your Etsy shop?
I would say 2 to 3 months ago.
Oh wow, so This is brand new.
It's pretty new.
Very nice. And what made you want to have one?
I would say like last year we meant to do it. Me and my mom meant to start it, but never really happened. But I think just because I thought that I was like really good at art, and I still think I am.
I think you are.
Yeah, I think I am. So I just thought that, you know, extra money. I don't have a lot of money right now at all, actually.
You know, 10-year-olds are very expensive to maintain, so she's trying to make her own money.
Yes.
Very nice.
I wanted to, not only that, I like the idea of like, you know, having my own shop, so.
That's cool. Young entrepreneur, I like that. Starting very early.
Yes.
Yep, and as you said, your dad owns a coffee shop, so I guess the business building is in the family. Very nice.
I want it to be like him.
You want to be like him. Oh, isn't that every dad's dream to hear your child say they want to be like you? That's cool.
Okay.
All right, so you're going to teach me how to paint these rocks.
Okay.
Is there anything I need to know about painting them, or do we just go for it? What's your technique?
I just make sure every coat is dry before I do another coat. And if I want to do a design, I use these like thin paint markers, so it gives detail.
Okay.
That's really it.
And
you painted before, right?
I've painted before.
So this is easy.
I've painted one or a few things before.
Yeah, this is easy. It's very fun.
In your paint kit, your rock painting kit on Etsy, what's inside?
I have a paintbrush. I have primary colors of paints, plus white, and I have a rock in there. Some like a mixing sheet, so you can mix the colors. Yeah, that's
cool.
I think that's it.
Just enough to get you started on rock painting.
One big one is fine.
Yeah, I think so. One big one is good.
Yeah.
Yeah. Just get people
started
with painting. Sure.
Okay.
So I kind of feel like this one looks like something. I don't know, a moth maybe.
Maybe
it's like a moth to you.
I'm gonna do like a mushroom on this one.
Ah, cool.
Like a little head of a mushroom.
Very nice.
From Pokemon or something. I'm not sure. Okay.
I used to watch Pokemon.
Really? That's cool.
Long ago. All right, so I'm going to bring you guys in for a closer look, and Ezra and I will continue to chat as we paint. Stay tuned.
Recently, I went over to my friend's house, and I sold my paintings. I got $60.
Look
crazy.
At you! Whoa!
Like literally, people on the street just bought stuff. I guess because we were cute, you know. These cute little kids holding up a sign. You want cool things for sale. They literally just came up to us.
That's
some of the
hilarious.
stuff. Yeah, the first day I went over there, we sold some paintings. We got like probably like $8 each.
Wow.
Then the second day, I brought some of my own paintings, and I got $60.
Wow.
And then I haven't went over there again. I might go there tomorrow maybe show some more stuff, you know.
Look at you.
But yeah,
Very
it was
cool.
it was cool because I was so surprised, and their mom was like, "What? You guys actually made $60? Like what?" It was really crazy.
It's nice for people to support you.
Yeah, it was, and they live on a nice block, so it was like a nice little area.
It
A
was
lot of
good
people
traffic.
were walking.
Yeah.
We got a lot of sun. It was very sunny.
A little vitamin D and a few
Yes.
art sales.
Yes.
Very nice.
We had like a little bell and everything.
What was the bell for?
We were
Saying
making-
come buy our stuff?
Yeah.
This is your friend from school?
No, this is my friend from church.
Oh, okay.
Jorelli and Jeremy.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Yes.
Very nice.
Hope they like being on YouTube because they're here. Yeah, so I bought myself a new Bible, and
That's what you did with the money?
Yeah, I bought myself a new Bible. It's like a
Nice.
coloring Bible. So it has like margins to write in, for instance,
Never
like
seen
prayer or
that.
something like that.
That's cool.
And it has you can color the verses.
Wow.
So on the side it has like famous verses, and it has you basically just you color it, and I did the first few pages of Genesis.
Cool.
It's very cool.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Look at you, see? And you did a responsible thing with your money. Didn't just go blowing it. You actually bought something
Yeah.
to help you grow. Very
I needed a new
impressed.
Bible anyways. So.
See how many 10-year-olds are out there saying, I need a new Bible. Very cool.
I bought fabric paint as well.
Nice.
Because I wanted to paint my jean jacket.
Have you done it yet?
Yeah, I actually have. I was going to wear it today, but it didn't really match with me.
You'll have
I
to
watched-
ask your
I
mom to
watched-
send me a picture of it.
Yeah, I watched this YouTuber. Her name is Mariah Elizabeth. I don't know if she's watching
Is
this.
she a
but,
kid?
Like, no, she's an adult.
Okay.
If she's watching this, shout out to her.
I'll have
She's
to tag
super-
her.
Yeah, she's super
And tell
cool.
her she's your inspiration.
Very inspirational.
Mariah Elizabeth, you inspired Ezra.
She's very cool. She literally paints on everything except canvases. Which is really literally. She paints on squishy. She paints on a suitcase.
Wow.
She painted on 2 jean jackets.
Wow.
She tie-dyes clothes. She's crazy.
Very cool.
It's really
And
cool though.
that's why you wanted to paint your jean jacket?
Yeah, I did.
Very cool.
Yeah, I thought it was cool, so I waited until I had the money and I bought tulip fabric paint. It's
Nice.
really good. I still have paint on my nail from it. This time, can I start talking?
Sure.
What do I say?
You wanted to say?
Hi guys. So we made some rocks. Not quite finished with them, but these are rocks. Showed them. Yeah, we did some rock painting. Was it fun?
It was lots of fun.
Yeah,
Thank you for
I liked
coming
it.
and teaching
You're
me how to
welcome.
paint.
We have a whole mess over there.
But we're not going to show you that
Yes.
part.
No. Okay, we had so much fun today. Bye guys.
Bye! Make sure you stop by Etsy and check out EzraMade. She has these amazing rock kits as well as other stuff on there for you to purchase. So check out EzraMade, keep crafting, and we'll see you next time. Bye.